So
all the things are quite good.
So, good afternoon, and it was a very good experience as we are coming from Kerala, and services provided by the tour operator Sai. Yeah, it was fantastic, and the services we obtained from the guide, especially Sonu, and the drivers, two drivers were there, and it was also very good. And maybe due to some rush and all, being the Sunday, there was some issue on the way because of the block and all. We could travel a long time in autos. Anyway, that was also comfortable, and all the people involved in the in the hotel people, the hotel facilities, food and everything was very nice, and the best wishes for all of your supports. The Prakash is also doing a commendable job, especially collection of money and all. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.